Today we're going to look at how you can level a cement pad that's sunken. As you can see under here, what happened is it settled around the foundation because you can see that they didn't pack it down and they didn't put any fill in, and so it sunk and then the cement collapsed and it's very uneven. Now what I've done is I've got my car jack and I've set it underneath. I use this pry bar to help give it more leverage. You could use a 2x4, put it on top of your jack. That would give you more leverage. But you just jack it up. I think you can see the problem that I had. It was sunken way below. You can see that it cracked. I did have to do a little bit of chiseling in order to lift it up. So you may have to get a chisel and chisel some of it out and pry it out a little bit because it may not raise up with your jack all the way, and I had to work on that a little bit. Then what you'll do is I bought some gravel. I'll throw the gravel in underneath and put something to block it up so that it stays level, and then I'll pull the jack out and then go ahead and throw some more gravel in, and then I'll use some caulking to caulk the cement. But it did take a while to in order to raise it up. You may not have that much of a problem. But another thing that I did is I put a 2x4 underneath the jack. That enabled it so that it didn't sink. So you will want to put some wood underneath so that it doesn't just sink into the ground. One thing that I failed to mention is you need to raise your cement up a little bit higher than where it normally is. That way you can get enough gravel in there to level it out, and you may have to work with that a little bit, but just keep your jack underneath and you can throw gravel in, lower it until then you can keep raising it up until you get it to where you want it. Then you can go ahead and pull your jack out. You may have to use a jack stand or something, some blocks or wood to put underneath the cement to make sure that you can get your jack out. Go ahead and throw some gravel in. Now I just picked up this pea gravel up at Lowe's. It was $4 a bag, and it's looks like it has 0.5 of a cubic foot. Probably need, well, it depends on your job. You may only need one bag. You may need 3 or 4. It just depends on how big your drop is. So you want to get the gravel so that it's level with the cement. So it looks like I'm probably going to need to add a little bit more. I've got some gaps in there. But we'll put in enough so that it will be level, and then we'll pull out the jack and fill in underneath. But we can fill out also in front of the jack, and we'll go ahead and do that too. But good luck, and again, hopefully you subscribe to Big Out Repairs. Have a great day.